Hi, I'm Olive from Olive to Craft, and this is my brother, Joaquin. And today, we're making corn tacos to get organized in the new year. Nom, 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 nom. Foam sheets in yellow, green, red, white, and orange. You'll also need scissors, crafter fabric glue, and Velcro. First, you're going to take your yellow foam and cut out a rectangle that's about 4 by 6 inches. You're going to fold it in half, and then you're going to round out the top with your scissors so it looks like a taco. Ta-da! Now you're going to trace the round part of your taco onto your green foam. Now you're going to cut about a centimeter under the line you traced. You're going to set this part aside. Now you're going to start here and cut a wavy line above the line you traced to look like lettuce. Now you're going to take your white foam and cut rough squares that are about a centimeter wide. Now we're going to do the same thing with our red foam. Next, you're going to take your orange foam and cut out thin rectangles that are about half a centimeter by 2 centimeters long. Now that we've got all our ingredients ready, the tortilla, the lettuce, the tomatoes, onions, and cheese, we're gonna assemble our taco. Now we're gonna take our glue and squeeze a line underneath the line we traced earlier. Now you're gonna flip over your tortilla and line the curve up with the line you traced. I cleaned off some of the excess glue, and now I'm going to flip it over. Now I'm going to lay out the tomatoes, onions, and cheese on top of the lettuce before I glue them on. I have everything placed, I'm gonna glue it down. You'll only need a dot of glue so it doesn't get too messy. gonna take your Velcro and cut off about 1 centimeter. You can also buy pre-cut Velcro dots. Now I'm gonna line up the Velcro pieces and connect them. Now you're gonna take your Velcro and stick it to the side of your taco with no ingredients. You're gonna stick it to the top center. My Velcro already has adhesive, but if yours doesn't, then you can use your crafter fabric glue to stick it on. Before you stick your Velcro onto the other side of your taco, you need to make sure that all of the glue is dry. You may need to let it sit overnight. After your glue is completely dry, you're going to stick your Velcro to the other side of your taco by folding your tortilla in half. Ta-da! Thanks for watching! Now get your craft on and get your taco on and have a crafty New Year! Bye! I'm eating the cord.
Do you need somewhere to put your cords? We have a solution! Take corn tacos! Are you okay? Sorry. Do you need somewhere to put your cords? Mm-hmm. Then take corn tacos. Oh! 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 Another one! Oh! 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 Here, another one. Oh! Oh!
Thanks for watching. Now get your craft on and get your happy on and have a taco taco. Taco!
This should be a blooper. You're recording. Wingardium Leviosa. Fly. Yummy. Let me
You can adjust the size of your rectangles to make your corn taco bigger or smaller. Tiny corn taco. Thanks for watching. Now get your craft on and get your taco on. And have a Rocky going crazy eating a taco dude.
It's Taco Tuesday! Oh, no. I'm eating the cord.
Thanks for watching. Now get your craft on and get your taco on Olives to Craft. Olives to Craft. Olives to Craft. Olives to Craft. Bye. Thanks for watching. Now get your craft on and get your taco on. Olives to Craft. Olives to Craft. Olives to Craft. Olives to Craft.
I'm a cowboy! Yeah! I like cold tacos! Yeah! 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 Here! Want cold? Take cold tacos! Oh! We got tacos too! Take the corn tacos! Take them! Take my corn tacos! No, take those ones are bad! No, take these! Yo, Ninja. Oh, I got a taco too. It's good. Oh, he popped me in the cheek. I'm a ninja. Take the cord.